Alrighty, it's Sunday afternoon. We missed the morning because we got up early and we were out in the big shop for pretty much most of the day, and then kind of got a few things done. We got some bad storms coming in here, so they're saying Tuesday and Wednesday are really looking ugly for the upper Midwest here. So hope everybody's got their trampolines nailed down and other things, and stay safe. But let's get through that intro and let's talk about a little shop update. Next project. Be right back. Alrighty, so got through that there intro. We're hunkering down. We got some severe storms coming in next few days, so um, just gonna focus on going to work and getting some other stuff done. We had a full day out in the big shop all day today, and my cousin and my uncle, we did a motor for them, so that's going in their convertible. So they came and got that thing, and then I got a bunch of other stuff done out in the big shop on my own personal stuff, some things that are just clean up stuff, organizing of some tools, putting some stuff back where it belongs, and we're just getting out here into the model shop right now. So many of you know that I've gotten a couple completed, and with that, that leaves empty trays. I carry 6 in the tray holder here. 6 kits I can have open and pull out to keep my ADHD active, and that way there, if I decide that I don't feel like working on this truck, I can grab another one out of there and tinker on that one. So that's where you kind of get this, all of a sudden, boom, you get a bunch of models that you're going to see. But I'm trying to get better at having actual real content for the viewers. Same thing with RC, we're got some more content. Actually, I do have a video. I just got to edit the video a little bit and upload it. But we're back on the 55 Chevy, which is a drag and drive / zombie build, and both of those are my group builds. So if you want to participate, feel free to ask about it. But the drag and drive goes until December 25th because I want the pictures so that I can make a nice slideshow during my Christmas break. For all the people that did it. I've got 4 people that have already done their drag and drive builds. That is awesome, and thank you guys. It means a lot. It's really cool. And there's another gentleman that is, like, I'd say 50% done, kind of like me. He's got everything mocked up. I do have a trailer that I'm printing right now from my buddy Bruce. So I got to get that thing finished up and sent off this week for his drag and drive build. And then we're going to open this guy. So I figured I got one Tri-Fi here. Let's just get another Tri-Fi on the table as well. And this thing has been itching at me for a while, and that is this Atlantis 57 Nomad wagon. I think this thing is going to be cool. Again, the box art, it just sucks you right in, right? Does that box art not suck you in? It sucked me in. I've heard that this kit is quite challenging, so I'm going to be interesting to see what this thing is all about. I've never built this kit before. I realize that all these Atlantis kits are the old Revell monogram molds. The 55 I have built back in the day, and I don't think I've ever did the 57 Chevy either. So but I know I never did this one. So what the heck, let's get this thing open tonight. Since we just got out here, we're gonna crack this guy open, come up with a plan, figure out what kind of wheels and tires we want to put on it. What do we want to put in it for a motor? I don't even know what this thing comes with for a motor. Maybe it doesn't come with a motor. I don't know. We'll find out. I'm putting a motor in it one way or another, and this will be a lot of fun. So again, that box art, man, it just does it for me. So we're gonna come up with a plan, and hopefully before Acme we have a couple of tri-fis to take down to Acme as well. That's the goal. I think I've got plenty of Mopars over there done to take to Acme. So let's get a couple tri-fis. I want to take some Fords, some Chevys, and some Mopars to Acme. So also, I got bored and I printed a donut. So I don't know. The guys always give me crap that I'm always eating when I get into private lives. So now I got something that won't make me fat. It's heavy as a rock though. So anyhow, I'm gonna get off here. This is gonna be my shortest video ever. I want to get some stuff done here before the work week starts. I got a full week ahead of me. So and then with the storms as well coming in. So stay safe, everybody. Hope you all got your trampolines nailed down and things in this upper Midwest, because it's going to get ugly quick. So see y'all on the next one. Peace out, everybody. Have a good rest of your day. Remember, if you like this stuff, go down there and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love the comments. So see you all later. Somebody say, "Hey, Bonnie?" Whoa.